With the mainstream adoption of PCs 40 years ago came the need for an ergonomic keyboard tray to correct for the unnatural posture of sitting at a computer for long hours. They did their job well for seated users. But all the ergodynamics changed when we started transitioning to standing desks. It became obvious that technology users relied on for decades needed a major refresh. That's when iMovR began a research program that upended all the old assumptions about what an ergonomic tray needed to be for a standing desk user. The result was SteadyType, offered as a built-in feature of iMovR's height-adjustable desks since 2015 and incorporating multiple patented innovations. And now you can add SteadyType capability to just about any standing desk regardless of make and model. Introducing the revolutionary SteadyType EXO. Proudly engineered and made in the USA, with unparalleled strength and stability that leaves the competition flopping around in the dustbins of history. For active workstation users, the SteadyType EXO is an absolute game changer. While competitors are still showing users' elbows bent at 90 degrees and the full weight of their arms resting on the desks as neutral, our ergonomic engineers have long understood the gravity of the situation. Traditional keyboard trays are limited to only 15 degrees of negative tilt, but the EXO can achieve far steeper angles that result in a far more ergonomically neutral typing posture, whether sitting, standing, or even walking at your desk. Simply put, we just made the best one. So instead of getting this, you get this. And instead of getting this, you get this. And the best part? The fully pre-assembled SteadyType EXO can be added or removed to any desk in under 30 seconds, no tools required. Compare that to the typical hour-long installation process for a conventional keyboard tray, most of which are extremely difficult, if not impossible to install on a standing desk to begin with. And with a spacious 28-inch wide tray, you have enough room to work with any conceivable keyboard and pointing device setup, perfect for your current desk, the next one, and the one after that, or even sharing between desks. The SteadyType EXO is simply the most ergonomically versatile keyboard tray for a standing desk user. Plus, for treadmill desk users, it's absolutely essential for proper ergonomics and typo-free keyboard. Now that's a big deal. So whether you've never used a keyboard tray before, or you want a better one for your standing or walking desk, the real question isn't, should I get this? It's, why would I get anything else? Pick yours up today at iMovR.com and see why the SteadyType EXO is the best keyboard tray you can buy.